Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay? Yes guys, you heard it right. Today in this video, in this session, we are gonna learn something new, something different in React.js. Okay, and guys, as we all know that we are on a journey to become a great and dynamic React.js developer in 3 to 4 months. Okay guys, as I promised you, I have given you my word also that I will definitely try to make you a great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, provided guys you have to subscribe to the channel Code with ER, and you have to like all my videos, and you have to watch my entire video very patiently and very carefully. Then guys, you will be only able to learn what is React, and then only you will be able to work in React.js developer, like React as a front-end developer, as a back-end developer, as a native application developer using React.js. Okay, trust me guys, you have to subscribe to the channel Code with ER, and you have to watch all my videos very carefully, very patiently to the end. Then only you will be able to become a great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, so guys, this is the third video on React.js, and I have already created 2 videos. If you have not watched my previous 2 videos, then please guys, it's a request, it's a recommendation also, that please you watch my other 2 videos. Then only you will be able to get this third video, because this third video is based on my previous 2 videos. Okay, so you have to watch my previous 2 videos, then only you will be able to get this video, then only you will be able to understand this third video. Okay, because like I told you already, it is based on my previous 2 videos. Okay, so you have to watch my previous first and second videos on React.js. Okay, so just go there and watch it, and then only watch this third video on React.js. Okay, trust me guys, believe me. Okay, I'm like, like I have given you my word, I have given you my guarantee also, that I will definitely try to make you a great and dynamic React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months, provided you have to subscribe to the channel Code with ER, and you have to watch all my videos as well. Okay, so guys, in today's video, we are gonna learn that what is a cards component in React.js, and how to display cards using the React.js. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example first, and let me just show you the example as well. Let me just explain you the example as well, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn in this video, in this session. Okay, so let me go to the example first, and let me just show you the example as well. Okay, and guys, let me tell you one more thing which is very important. Guys, if you feel like there is a background voices, if you feel there is a unwanted background noises, then please guys, try to avoid them, and try to focus on the learning part, try to focus on the good part of this video, of this session, because your time is very important, our time is very important. So as a request, please try to focus on the learning part, try to focus on the good part of this session, of this video. Okay, and guys, if you feel my voice is too low, my voice is too slow, and my voice is not audible to you, then please guys, use headphone to listen my voice. Okay, I know my voice would be little slower, because I'm recording videos. Okay, after a long time, like it's been around 6 months, I have not recorded a single video, because I was engrossed in something else. Okay, so I was not recording my videos. So now I will try to record my videos on a regular basis. Okay, so please guys, use headphone to listen to my voice, and please try to avoid all the background voices, all the background noises as well, and try to focus on the learning part, and try to focus on this great part. Okay, and please guys, be relaxed and be calm, because it's my guarantee, it's my duty to make you a great React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn, and let me just explain you the example. Okay, so that we will get to know. Okay, please guys, try to avoid background voices, background noises. Okay, because I'm recording this video at my home, so there will be some family like talking, so please try to avoid them. Okay, so now let's come to the example first. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js components. Okay, it's guys, this video will be also purely based on the React.js components. Okay, so guys, here we can see the heading also, welcome to React.js classes with Prabhat Pandit, and this is the class number 3rd, this is the video number 3rd. Okay, like I told you, I have already created my 2 videos, so you have to watch all my 2 videos, then only you will be able to get this video very easily and very efficiently, and definitely you will utilize your time 100%. Okay, and below you can see here another heading, 3 ways to display dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, yes guys, you read it right. Okay, because here we will be knowing that how to display cards using the React.js, but in 3 ways. Okay, in 3 ways. Okay guys, we know like how to display the cards just to like we know like how to display the card only in a single way. Okay, but guys, here I will explain you how to display the dynamic cards in React.js in 3 ways. Okay, in 3 ways. Okay, so here this is the first method. Okay, this is the first method. It says card components JSX mapping or array mapping in JSX. So JSX means JavaScript and XML. Okay, so guys, this is the first method to display the cards component, and it says card component JSX mapping or array mapping in JSX. Okay, so and here is the second method, so card components by using spread operator. Okay, so here we will display the card components by using the spread operator or object spread operator. Okay, so this is the second method. Okay, this is the second method, and this is the third method. Okay, so it says third method to display the cards. Okay, dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so guys, like today in this video, in this session, we will be knowing 3 ways to display the cards in React.js. Okay guys, this is not like just this is not like it only, we are gonna beyond this. Okay, so whenever you will click on any of the card, see, now you can see here the very first card is selected, the very first card is of Prabhat Pandit, and the profile is developer, description is service now developer at Happiest Minds, and experience is 4 years, and age is 30. Okay, and guys, here you can see the name of the profile. Okay, and here name of the profile, which is Prabhat Pandit, and here is the designation or the profile. Okay, so you can see here name is Prabhat Pandit and profile is developer. Okay, you can see here, and now you can see here this card is now selected. Okay, it says this is currently clicked. Okay, and here this is second card, it says. Okay, and this is the Java developer, and this is the name, okay, of the profile. It says name is this. Okay, and profile is Java developer, description is Java developer at Infosys Technology, experience is 3 years, and age is 28. Okay, and we have got a button also called learn more. Now click on the third profile. So see, now this profile is selected, this profile is active. Okay, so the name of the profile is Deepak Kumar, and he is a React.js developer. You can see here React.js developer, and name is Deepak Kumar. Okay, so click on the fourth profile card, Ram Kumar Yadav. So now currently it is selected, and the profile is Angular developer. This is description, Angular developer at LNT, and experience is 3 years, age is 20, and you can see here the very text here, Ram Kumar Yadav, and the profile also Angular developer. Okay, click on Riya Kumari Sharma profile card. So now it is selected, the name is Riya Kumari Sharma, profile is web developer, and you can see here the very same name, Riya Kumari Sharma, and the profile is web developer. Okay, and click on the sixth profile, Pankaj Kumar Sharma. So you can see here the very name is here also, Pankaj Kumar Sharma, and he is a Vue.js developer. You can see here Pankaj Kumar Sharma, and he is a Vue.js developer. Now come on the third second card. So we have displayed this card using the split operator, okay, or the object split operator, okay. So click here also. So now you can see here this card is also selected. You can see here the very same name of the profile, Prabhat Pandit. He is a developer. So this is the second card, Priya Kumari, and he is a she is a Java developer, okay. And this is the profile, Java developer. Description is this, experience is 3 years, and age is 28, okay. And now click this card, third card, Deepak Kumar. I mean it's a Kumar like I have put here I will rectify it. So and he is a React.Js developer, okay. So click this card. So this card is now selected, and you can see Ram Kumar Yadav, and he is an Angular developer. You can see Ram Kumar Yadav, and he is an Angular developer. Click on Riya Kumari Sharma profile. See, it is now selected. So name is Riya Kumari Sharma, and she is a web developer. So click on sixth card. So Pankaj Kumar Sharma, and he is a Vue.js developer, okay. So guys, I have tried, okay, making this video very interactive and very learning as well, okay. So guys, you can see here I have not just shown the card only, which is very easy. Anyone can teach you to show cards, show dynamic cards. Anyone can teach you on YouTube, but no one is going to teach you like how to make like cards active, clickable, and how to show the profile name, how to show the designation. Guys, if you want, you can show the images also. If you want, you can show the description also. If you want, you can show the experience also. If you want, you can show the ages also. But for the sake of time, okay guys, I have just tried to save little bit of time. Otherwise video is going to be very larger, very longer, okay. So this is the reason I have just shown here the name and the profile. If you want, you can show the entire card as well, okay. So now come on the third method. So this is the third method to display cards, okay. So click here. So now this card is selected, and you can see here name is Prabhat Pandit, and he is a developer. Click on second card, okay. So she's okay. Let me just rectify this first. So this is the example, and let me just first of all let me just put here name, okay. So this will be the name, and this will be the title, okay. So title, save your code. So now this is the third method, okay. So click it. So this is now selected. So the name is Prabhat Pandit, and he is a developer. Click on second card, Priya Kumari, and she is a Java developer. This is the description, experience and age. Click on Deepak Kumar. So Deepak Kumar, and he is a React.js developer. First of all, let me just make it Kumar. He is not Kumari. So go up, and Deepak Kumar, where he is? Yeah, here he is. So now just save your code. So now everywhere is now Deepak Kumar. Yep, it's rectified, okay. So click on Pankaj Kumar Sharma. So now currently this card is active. This card is clicked by the user, and you can see here the very same name, Pankaj Kumar Sharma, and he is a Vue.js developer, okay. So guys, now I hope I have explained you that today what we are going to learn in this video, in this session, okay. And guys, I'm sorry, like my voice will be little slower, okay. So please guys, okay, try to use headphone to listen to my voice, okay. It's a humble request, okay. So guys, as I have explained you all the features, all the functionality of this demo, that today what we are going to learn, okay. So here we will be also using the useState hook, okay. So guys, in this video we are also going to learn that what is a useState hook in React.js, and how to use it, okay. I'm sorry guys, like I told you, I'm recording this video after around 6 months. So it's been 6 months I have not recorded a single video, so that's why like my voice is like this. Okay, sometime I will pronounce something wrong, sometime I will say something, yeah, some spelling wrong, some pronunciation wrong. Okay, so I'm excuse me for this, please. I'm forgive me for this. Okay, I'm very sorry for this. Okay, so you can see we will be using here the useState hook also in React.js to make this card, to make this session as well interactive. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn with me here, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so what is React.js and how to use React.js to display the cards. Okay, so like I told you, here we are gonna learn three ways to display the dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so this will be the very first method. Okay, and this is the second method, and this is the third method. Okay, so see, it's interactive and clickable also. I have used here the useState hook in React.js. Okay, so see, it's active, it's clickable also, and the very same text, the name of the profile and the designation of the profile is also shown here. See here, Prabhat Pandit, Priya Kumari, Java developer, Deepak Kumar, React.js developer, Ram Kumar Yadav, Angular developer. See, Angular developer, Riya Kumari Sharma, web developer. So Riya Kumari Sharma, web developer. Pankaj Kumar Sharma, Vue.js developer. So Pankaj Kumar Sharma, Vue.js developer. This is also active, this is also clickable. So guys, how this is happening, guys, how this is possible to show the profile name as well as the designation here. Okay, on the clicked profile card. Okay, so guys, this is only possible by using the React.js hook called useState. Okay, so guys, in this video we are gonna use React.js hook called useState. Okay, so we will be using here useState hook to make this card clickable as well as interactive as well. Okay, so see, it's clickable and interactive. You can see Pankaj Kumar Sharma, this also. See, this is also okay. Riya Kumari Sharma, see, Riya Kumari Sharma, web developer. See, okay, yep. So guys, now let's get started and let's learn React.js with me here, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, like I told you, this is the third session, this is the third video, this is the third class. I have already recorded my two videos. If you have not watched it already, please guys, go and first watch my previous two videos, then only you will be able to get this video, get this session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn React with me here, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from them also. And guys, definitely you will grow also in your professional career. Okay, so guys, it's a request from a friend to a friend, it's a request from a brother to a brother. Please guys, support me and promote me, and the only way you can support me and the only way you can promote me is by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and is by liking all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development as well as full stack development also. Okay, so guys, now it's a request guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also. Okay, and please like this video also if you have learned something from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's build this dynamic and interactive profile card. So we are gonna learn three ways to display the profile cards using the React.js. Okay, okay, so guys, now let me just go to the code editor. So guys, in this video, in this session, we are gonna use here VS Code editor to write our code. Okay, because it has got a live server which is going to save your page, which is going to reload the page the moment you will save your file, the moment you will save your code. Okay, so now let's get started and let's learn with me here, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now let me go to the code editor first. So now I'm gonna create here page. Okay, so I'll give here page name as a react cards.html. okay, so save the file now. So control S. Yep, so save it. So first of all, I'm sorry, so HTML. So this is the HTML structure. So I'll say here code with er Prabhat. Okay, Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, by now you all know that my name is Prabhat Pandit and I am a software developer. Currently I am working as a service developer at Happiest Minds Bangalore, and I have got more than 4 years of experience in software development. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, we need some CDN links. Okay, in order to work in this file. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the previous example just to copy the CDN links. Okay, and I will explain you all the CDN links, what it is. So don't worry, just be here, be calm and be focused and be patient, and please guys, try to watch my all the videos very carefully, and don't try to fast forward the video, don't try to skip the video. Otherwise, if you will miss something, you will miss each and everything from this video, from this session, and at the end you will end up losing your time, losing your energy. Okay, so guys, our time is very important, our time is very crucial. So if you are watching this video, guys, it's a request, please utilize your time and watch very patiently and very carefully. Okay, and now, so let me just copy the CDN links from here. So this is the CDN link we will be requiring in order to work this file. Okay, so guys, I have written the comment here also. So this is the bootstrap 5 CSS CDN. Okay, so I have got a folder called assets, and in that assets I have got a file and folder called CSS, and in that folder I have got a file called bootstrap.min.css. okay, this is it. Okay, so now copy these CD links from here and just paste it below this. Okay, paste it here. So guys, now here I have written the comment also, React and React DOM CDN links. Okay, so this is also inside the folder assets, inside the JS folder, and I have got a file called react.development.js. okay, so guys, here we are using the CDN link of React.js just for the learning purpose, just to learn the React.js developer. Okay, once guys we will be familiar with the React basics to advanced knowledge, we will be using here React, okay, to create a very dynamic and very powerful application using the React, okay, CLI. Okay, so we have just used here CDN links to learn React, to grasp the basics to advanced understanding of React.js. Okay, so now this is again inside the folder assets, inside the folder JS, and this is folder file name react.development.js. okay, and this is the bevel, okay, CDN link for bevel, okay, which is going to transpile the JSX into the normal or plain JavaScript, okay, which will be understood by our browser JS engine. Okay, so that's why we use bevel to transpile JSX. Okay, so it is also inside the folder assets, inside the folder JS, and there is a file called bevel.min.js. okay, if you want I can show you the folder also, but it will take some time, so just to save our time I'm not showing you. So let me just show you also. So otherwise yep, go here, React projects, go to the assets, okay, and go to the JS. You can see here bevel.min.js, react.development.js, and react dom.development.js. okay, and let me just show you the CSS file also. So go to the CSS folder. So this is bootstrap.min.css. okay, let me show you the images also. So guys, here is the images. Okay, so this is the images I will be using in our project, in this video, in this session. Okay, so it is inside the folder assets, inside the folder images. Okay, and we have got some images here. Okay, so this is the images we will be requiring for this video, for this session. Okay, so this is it. I have explained you, I have shown you the folder also. Okay, so guys, now first of all we have to create a wrapper div, or the container div, or the main div, okay, or we can say the parent div also. Okay, so I'm gonna create here a div first, div, and close this div. Okay, So guys, now I'm gonna give here the id. I'll give the id as a root. Okay, and let me just write here comment what it is gonna do react here. Okay, so I'm gonna write the comment here. So what it will do here, react. Okay, so it will react. Okay, so I will write here react will inject or populate. Okay, populate the result. Okay, or output for us. Okay, after compilation. Okay, after compilation, it is not necessary to mention it. Okay, after compilation. Okay, so guys, in this div with the id root, react.js is going to inject or populate the code for us. Okay, so that we can see it on the browser as a result, as a output. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now I'm gonna, okay, so it should be inside the body section. Why it is doing inside the head section? Okay, it should be inside the body section. So this is it, and below this I'm gonna create here a script element. Okay, so script tag you can say. Okay, so now guys, we have to mention one thing here to this script tag. Okay, so we have to mention here the type. Okay, as a text slash bevel. Okay, because we are using here the browser version of bevel. Okay, because we are using here the browser version of bevel, so we have to specify the type also equal to text slash bevel. Okay, so okay, so guys, now this is it, and now we are gonna create here the parent components inside the react.js. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create the parent component first. So I'll say here const. Okay, so const, I'll give here app. I'm gonna use here the fat arrow function, so it says equal to this. Okay, and this, and this is it. Okay, so guys, now this is it, and we have to attach this parent component. Okay guys, listen to me very carefully. Okay, now we have to attach this parent component. Okay, this parent component with this wrapper div, with this container div. Okay, then only react will interact with this div. Okay, with this div, and then only it is going to inject the code here, it is going to populate the code here. Okay, so for this we have to attach this div with this parent div. Okay, parent components. Okay, I'm sorry, with this parent component. Okay, so for this what we have to say, we have to say here that I'm gonna create here a const first. So I'll say here const, I'm gonna use here the container as a const. Okay, so container equal to, I'm gonna say here document dot get element by id. So I have given here the id also. You can see here id is the root. Okay, so copy it and paste it here, and again we will say here I'm gonna create here another const. I'll say here root. Okay, so root, I'll say here equal to react dom. Okay, react dom dot create root. Okay, create root, and we have to pass this container as a parameter to this function. Okay, so now again we will say here that this root. Okay, this root. Okay, this root dot render. Okay, dot render. What to render guys? We have to render this parent component. Okay, so copy this const app, and we have to render it. So like this. Okay, and it is compulsory, it is mandatory to close all the tags, whether it is a self-closing tag or it is a closing tag. We have to close it if we are working with react.js. Okay, so close it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now in this way, okay, okay, we have mounted or attached this parent component. Okay, this parent component with this container div or the wrapper div with the id root, and now our react will inject or populate the code inside this div with the id guys, now in order to check if it is working or not, what we will generally do, we will return here. We have to return also from here, from this parent component we have to return all the things. Okay, so just this, and it is a compulsory to use a wrapper div or use a container div. If you don't want to use the wrapper div or the container div, then you can use the JSX fragments also. So I'm gonna use here the JSX fragments. Okay, so it is like this. Okay, so this is known as the JSX fragments. Okay, okay, so now to check this div is okay, this div is now connected with this parent component. What we generally do, we generally perform some simple calculation inside the open and closing curly braces. Okay, like I explained you guys, it is compulsory, it is mandatory to use the open and closing curly braces if we want to show something to the browser, to the user. Like it can be variable value, it can be function value, it can be expression value, it can be anything, but you have to use the open and closing curly braces. Okay, so I'm gonna perform here some simple calculation. So I'll say here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so guys, ideally we should be getting 20 if everything is working cool, everything is doing fine. Okay, so now just save your code and dispose this port and now go live. So see, boom guys, we got here 20. Okay, so let me just use here the container. Okay, so create a div and we have to specify class name. Okay, not class, because class is a reserved keyword in JavaScript, so we have to use class name to provide the CSS classes. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the container. I'll use the margin top 5, I'll give margin bottom also 5. Okay, and we have to close this div also because it is compulsory. So now this is it. Okay, so now just save your code and go to the browser and now just see 20. Okay, so guys, it's 20 here. So now let me just show you one more thing. So now what if I will write like this? Okay, what if I will write like this? I'm gonna perform the calculation like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so now if we will get 20 or we will get just like this. Okay, if we will get 20 or if we will get just like this. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, see, let me just put here br tag for the line break. So br, now go to the browser. So see guys, we are just getting here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, why it is not giving 20? Because it is not inside the open and closing curly braces. It is compulsory, it is mandatory to use open and closing curly braces to show any expression value, to show any variable value, to show any function value, to show any method value. We have to use the open and closing curly braces. Okay, so this that's why we can see here 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, but here we can see 20 because it is inside the open and closing curly braces and it is not. Okay, so let's just put this inside the open and closing curly braces as well. Okay, so come up here and put it inside the open and closing curly braces also. So now just save your code and go to the browser. See, now we can see here 20 and 20. Okay, so now which means our this wrapper div or container div have been connected, have been mounted with this. Okay, with this parent components. Okay, with this parent components. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so just remove it, we don't require it. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here some variable also. So guys, to create the variable, what we generally do, we generally create variable inside the parent components. Okay, so I'm gonna say here const to create the variable. So I'll say here header. Okay, so header I'm gonna create here. So I will be using the text here as a value to this variable header. Okay, so I'll say here that welcome to React.Js classes with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser and see the output, see the result. Okay, so guys, see, there is nothing, our page is blank, our page is empty. Why there is nothing? Although we have created our variable, it should be shown here. Okay, right, it should be shown here on the browser, but why it is not showing? Because we have not used this variable. Okay, so now we are gonna use this variable. Okay, so inside this div, I'm gonna create here another div, and just close this div first. I'll give the class name also to provide the CSS class. Okay, because class is a reserved keyword in JavaScript, that's why we use class name to provide CSS class. Okay, so we will say here margin top 5, margin bottom also 5. Okay, and yeah, so let it be, or just say here text center. Okay, to put each and everything inside the center of the body, inside the center of the screen. Okay, so now I will be using here h1 element inside this div. So h1 and guys, now just put it. Okay, just put it here like this. Okay, so what will happen? We will just see as a header. Okay, we will just see header. We won't be able to see welcome to React.js classes with Prabhat Pandit as its value. Okay, as its value. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser, see, you can see here only header. Okay, only header. Okay, so in order to see this text, welcome to React.js classes with Prabhat Pandit, we have to enclose this header. We have to enclose this header inside the open and closing curly braces like this. Okay, so now save your code and go to the browser, and now see, boom guys, you can see guys, we have created our first variable inside the React.js, and we can see the value also. So our code is doing great, our code is kicking very great. Okay, we can see the welcome to React.js classes with Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, congratulations on creating the very first variable in React.js. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here subtitle also like this. Okay, 3 ways to display dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so come up here. So guys, very quickly, so guys, I will be creating very quickly. Okay, second variable. Okay, so I'll say here, I'm gonna use here let. Okay, so I'll say here let subtitle. Okay guys, I have explained you why we should not use a var. Okay guys, I have explained you very well in my previous 2 videos that why we should not use keyword var to create the variable inside any JavaScript modern framework. Okay, like React, Vue.js or Angular. Okay, I have explained you. I am not gonna explain here why we should not use var to create the variable inside any JavaScript framework. Okay, so we will be using here const to create the variable, let to create the variable only. Okay, so I'll say here let subtitle equal to, I'll just say here subtitle as a 3. Okay, 3 ways to display dynamic, okay, dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so guys, this is the class third, so we have to mention it also. So this is the class third. Okay, so this is it. So guys, now we have to show, so as of now, just save your code and go to the browser. So you can see here we are not able to see the subtitle value. Okay, which is 3 ways to display dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, in order to see this on the browser, we have to again say like this. So copy this and paste it, and ideally it should be a little smaller, so give here s3. Okay, sorry. So now copy this title variable name from here and just replace with this header. Okay, so now save your code and go to the browser, and now see, boom guys, you can see again the subtitle value also 3 ways to display dynamic cards in React.js. Okay, so guys, this is it. Congratulations again, we have created our second variable. Okay, and I have explained you very well that how to create variables in Java, in React.js. If you don't know already, just go back and watch my previous two videos, okay, on React.js. Okay, so guys, now we will be now creating the cards. Okay, so guys, now we are gonna create this card first. Okay, so we will be now creating this card first. Okay, the first method, okay, card components JSX mapping or array mapping in JSX. Okay, so now come up here, and now we will be creating here our cards component. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here our cards component. Okay, okay, so guys, to create components, to create custom component, we have to create custom component outside of this parent component. Okay, so guys, always remember, to create the custom components, we have to create the components outside of this parent component. Okay, and guys, always remember, component name starts with the capital letter. Okay, guys, always remember, components name start with the capital letter. Okay, so it is compulsory, it is mandatory to use the first letter of the component name as a capital letter. Okay, so I'll say here card component. Okay, component. Okay, so we are gonna use here, we are gonna using here the filter function, and this is known as the functional component. Okay, guys, this is known as the functional component. Okay, or function component. Okay, there is two component in React.js, function component and class component. So we will be using here the function component. Okay, so to create the components. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and now so guys, let me just first return here something very small. Okay, so I'm gonna return here h1 only. Okay, so there is only one element h1, so we can say like this only. Okay, we can say like this only because it has got only one element. Okay, if it would have multiple elements, then we must have to use the wrapper div or the container div or this. Okay, or this JSX. Okay, JSX fragments. Okay, okay, but here we are returning only one element, so we can say like this. Okay, so we are saying here hello React.js developer. Okay, developers. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have defined our components. Okay, and the component name is card component. Okay, so guys, now to show this value on the browser, what we have to do, so as of now, just save your code and go to the browser. You can see there is error also. So to rectify the error, let me just we have to let me just see what is the error, guys. Card component is not defined. Why it is saying so? Card component is not defined. Okay, we have to say here const. Okay, yep, now save your code and go to the browser. So see, we don't have any like extra text here which says okay, hello react.js. Okay, so guys, in order to show this value on the browser, what we have to do, we have to just copy this card component or component name, which is card component, and go to the parent components here inside this return statement, inside this container div or the wrapper div. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to say like this. Okay, so now our this text will be shown on the browser inside the h1 element. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser and see, boom guys, you can see here hello React.js developer. So guys, congratulations one more time, because now you know that how to create components, how to create custom components in React.js. You just learn it. Okay guys, you have just learned it, that how to create a custom component in React.js and how to show the components value also just now. So we have to congratulate you that now you know that how to create a component, a custom component in React.js, and how to display its value on the browser to the UI for the user. So congratulations one more time. Now you know how to create the React.js components. Okay, custom components. Okay, so this is it. Now we are going to create this card components. Okay, so very quickly we we are gonna create it now. So guys, now what if I want to provide props to this card components? Okay, so guys, to provide the components to this card component, what we have to say? We have to say here open and closing braces, and now I'm gonna put here first component as a, it's like props. Okay, sorry, it is not component, it is known as the prop. Okay, so this name is known as the prop, and we can pass props to this card component like this. Okay, we have to say here open and closing curly braces inside this parenthesis. Okay, inside this parenthesis we have to say here like open and closing curly braces, and we have to pass props like this. Okay, so guys, we have just passed one prop, namely name, to this card components. Okay, this card components has got one prop which is known as name. Okay, so guys, now in order to show this name, what we have to say here? So I'm gonna say here like this. Okay, so just open and closing curly braces and put the prop here, and if we want to use this prop, so what we have to say here? We have to say here on this card component, we have to say like this, name equal to open and closing curly braces, and now we are free to give here any name. So I'll give here name as a Priya Kumari. Okay, so it is a text, so we have to put it inside the single or double quotes. Okay, so like this. Okay, so guys, now just save your code, and let me just put here comma. Okay, so comma to, yep. So now here is the first prop of this card components. Okay, namely name, and we can pass this prop like this. Okay, inside the open and closing curly braces. If we want to show the prop value, we can do like this, open and closing curly braces and prop name or the property name, and we can just pass the prop value like this. Okay, if it is a text, we can enclose it inside this single and double quotes. If it is a number, we can just let it be. Okay, if it is a variable, we can just like this, inside the open and closing braces, we can just assign the variable name. Okay, and it will be shown. Okay, so guys, now just save your code and go to the browser and see. Boom guys, you can see here hello React.js developer, and it says Priya Kumari. Okay, okay, so guys, now we have passed first prop. Let me pass another props to give you extra confidence, to give you little extra confidence. Okay, so I'll say here profile. Okay, I'll say here profile. Okay, to show this profile, what we have to say here? I'll just say here open and closing curly braces, and we have to pass this prop name. We have to pass this prop name profile here also. Okay, so profile, I'll say here, now we have to say here profile like this equal to open and closing curly braces, and it is a string also. I'll say here Java. Okay, I'll say here Java developer. Okay, Java developer. So this is it. Save your code, go to the browser, and now see the magic. So see, boom guys, you can see here hello React.js developer Priya Kumari Java developer, because we have passed it through the props. Okay, so this is the first prop value, and this is the second prop profile value, and here we have defined the name prop 1, name 1, and profile. So this card component has got two prop, namely name and profile, and to show the value of this prop, we can do like this, open and closing curly braces. Inside the open and closing curly braces, we have to give here prop name, name, and profile as a profile inside the open and closing curly braces. Okay, and we have to give here the prop value like this. Okay, so if it is a number, so give here the age also. Okay, so I'm gonna pass here the third prop to this card component as a age. Okay, so guys, now we have given here the third component, third props. Okay, third props to this card component. Okay, and now I want to show the age also. So what we will say here like this, open and closing curly braces, and we have to pass this prop value here, or the prop name. So we have to give this value also. So copy this age from here, and now it is a number, so we will say here like this, I'll give here 28. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser, and now refresh the page. Boom guys, you can see here hello React.js developer Priya Kumari, Java developer, and this is the age. Okay, so her name is Priya Kumari. She's a Java developer, and her age is 28. Okay, please guys try to avoid the background voices and background noises. Okay, and please guys use headphone to listen to my voice. Okay, I know my voice would be a little slower, little slow. Okay, so use the headphone. Okay, so now you know like how to pass the prop inside our components. Okay, and how to show the value as well. Okay, I hope I have explained you to the code to the deep. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna remove this prop very quickly, because we have to pass another prop. Okay, with the different name. Okay, so with the different name. Okay, so now what we will say here, I'll give you a title. Okay, so title, I'll give you a title name. Okay, title name, I'll give you a profile. Okay, profile pic. Okay, profile pic. Okay, I will pass another prop. Okay, I'll give you a age. I will pass another prop. Okay, as a description. Okay, and I'll pass another prop as a experience, comma, I'll pass another prop. Okay, so as of now let it be. Okay, later on we will pass some extra prop to this card component. Okay, always remember guys, I told you later on we will pass some extra prop to this card component. Okay, so just be careful. Okay, so guys, now this card is gonna be having multiple elements. Okay, so guys, now this card is gonna be having multiple elements, so we have to use here a wrapper div or the wrapper container or the like this JSX. Okay, this JSX fragments. Okay, inside this return statement. Okay, so I'm gonna remove it now. I'm gonna use here open and closing parenthesis. Okay, and I'm gonna close it first, and it says, you can see here we have got a red mark. Okay, we have got a red mark. It says that you have to use at least one parent div or one container div, or you are free to use the JSX fragments. Okay, so I'm gonna use here JSX fragments. Okay, I will be using the wrapper div also. Okay, so I'm gonna inside this JSX fragment, I'm gonna use here the wrapper div also. Okay, so this is cool also, there is no nothing wrong in this. Okay, so I will be giving here the class name also to this wrapper div. I'll give here the class name as a card component. Okay, card component. Okay, so call, I hope guys you know why we have given here class name, because class is a reserved keyword in JavaScript, so that's why we have to use class name to provide the CSS classes in React.Js. Okay, so I'll say here call lg. I'll say here for, I'll give here mx auto. I'll give here call md 6 also, and I'll see here, I'll give here margin top also for the spacing from top to bottom. Okay, margin 4. Okay, so this is it. And now, okay, so now inside this div I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, so close this div first, very firstly. Okay, so now error is gone. I'll give here class. Okay, I will just say here what can I say here, I can say here card. Okay, because it is a card, and I can just give here overflow hidden also. Okay, so just open this div. Okay, so now inside this div I'm gonna create here img element first. Okay, so I'll say here img, and we will say here src. Okay, so src, so you can see here we have to close this element also, whether it is a self-closing element at all. Okay, so I'll give here class name also. I'll give here a class name as a img fluid, and I'll give here some extra class also. I'll say here thumbnail. Okay, so thumbnail, so this is it. And now we have to provide here src value. Okay, like this profile pic. Okay, I explained to you guys, okay, very well, how to create components and how to provide this props, and how to show the props value just now. Okay, just now. So I hope it's very fresh to you, and you know what I am doing here. Okay, and I know guys, I'm assuming, that you definitely know that what I am doing here. Okay, I just explained you, I just showed you how to create the props, how to pass the props to the components, and how to show the values of this prop inside the components as well. Okay, I hope it's fresh to you. Okay, so that's it, this is cool. So now below this img tag, I'm gonna create here another div. So I'll give you the class, so it's a class name. Yep, first close this div. Okay, so just give here the class name as a, I'll give here the class name as a card. Okay, card body. Okay, so this is it, and open this, and inside this div I'm gonna create here ho2 element. Okay, so guys, later on, guys, I explained you already, I told you already, remember that later on we have to pass, and we will pass some extra props to this card components. Okay, always remember later on. So I'll create here h2 element and close this h2 element. Okay, so now I'm gonna give here the class name also to this h2 element. I'll say here like this class name, and I'll just say here card title. Okay, card title, and we have to show here the name. Okay, so we have to just copy this prop name from here, and we have to show here. So inside the open and closing curly braces, we have to provide this prop name here. Okay, I hope guys you're getting me what I'm doing here. Okay, so now just say here h5, so make it h5. Okay, so make it h5, and now we have to show here the title. Okay, so we have to show here the title. Okay, so we will say here title. So title. Okay, so this is it, and now we have to create here the para element also. I'm gonna create here the para element also. So I'll say here p, so p, and close this p, and give the class name also. I'll give the class name also as a card text. Okay, so card text, this is it, and inside this I'm gonna show the description. Okay, so copy this description prop name from here, and just paste it inside the open and closing curly braces. Okay, this is it. So copy this p name from here, and just paste it. Okay, and here we have to show the I'm gonna show here the experience. Okay, so copy this prop experience from here, and just replace with this description. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I'm gonna show this age prop value now. So to do that, copy this and just paste it here. Okay, so just copy this prop name age from here, and just paste it here. Okay, so this is it, and now below this p, I'm gonna create here another div for the button. Okay, so ideally there should be a button also inside the profile card. Okay, so create a div first. So close this div. I'm gonna give the class name also as a button, so btn container. Okay, btn container, and inside this div I'm gonna create here a button element. Okay, so I'll say here button to create the button element. Okay, so close this button first, and just give the button text also. I'll say here learn mode. Okay, learn mode, and just like what we will say here, we will just say here I will give the class name also. Okay, so class name equal to, we will say here btn, and btn, I'll say here btn primary. Okay, so guys, as of now let it be, we have created our card components with some props. So guys, always remember, I explained you already in my previous two videos that prop can be think as a input. Okay guys, prop can be think as a input, okay, to this card component. Okay guys, always remember, this prop title, name, profile, age, description, and experience can be think as a input. Okay, as a input to this card component. Okay, to this card component. Okay, let me just repeat it one more time for you guys. Okay, so guys, these prop, okay, these prop like title, name, profile, age, description, and experience can be think as a input. Okay, input to this card component. Okay, to this card component. Okay, so guys, like I said here, so guys, like what we have seen here, so guys, now the title we have to give here, so we have to give here the title also. So I'll say here title equal to like this, it is a text, so we have to enclose it inside the open and or inside the single or double quotes. So I'll say here profile as a Java script developer. Okay, JavaScript developer. Okay, so it's a profile pic. Okay, so profile. Okay, so is there any profile? No, there is no profile. So it's title and name. Okay, so it's title and name, and this is okay, so this is I'll give you this as a just remove this, we don't require this, we will just use if it is required. Okay, so as of now just age, and so this is so age, and now copy this description. Okay, copy this description prop name from here and just paste it here and say here like this. Okay, so description I will give here, I'll say here Priya Kumari is a good, okay, good JavaScript developer and in future she can be great. Okay, she can be great. Okay, so enclose it inside the single or double quotes. Okay, so description is this, age is this. Okay, and now I'm gonna use here this experience. Okay, so experience will be a number, so we will just say here experience equal to open and closing braces, I'll give here 3. Okay, enclose this inside the quotes also, so I'll say here 3 years. Okay, but because it is a text also, so 3 years. And now we have to define this profile pic, okay, inside our parent component. Okay, so guys, now we have to define this profile pic inside our parent component. Okay, so we are going to define this profile pic inside our parent component. Okay, so copy this prop name from here and just give here as of now img. Okay, img and equal to, we will just say here, so there is a file called assets, inside the assets folder, assets images. Okay, images, and let me just say here like this equal to, and this is it, and go to the folder first, and I'm gonna use here this okay, this pic. Okay, priya.jpg. Okay, so copy the name from here and just here. Okay, so this is it, so we have to use this img variable name as a prop value to this profile pic. Okay, so put it here, so this is it. Now save your code and go to the browser. We got the error, let me just check what is the error. So go to the console and it says that img is not defined. Okay, yep, we have to give here const, so const img. Okay, so now just save your code and go to the browser and see, boom guys, see, boom, see. So guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, now I have to congratulate you also that now you know how to pass multiple props. Okay, how to pass multiple props, you know now, to this card components, and how to display the value of this props like title, name, profile pic, age, descriptions, and experience. Okay, like here I showed you. Okay, and this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we can see like this. Okay, so now just copy. So now guys, we have to define our objects. Okay, so guys, now we have to define our objects. So I'm going to define the object below this img element. Okay, I'll say here cards details, I will say here. Okay, card details. So like this, it is an object, so like this, close this first. So we have to use here const, otherwise it will throw an error. Okay, so we have to say here const. Okay, so it's const. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna create here the object. Okay, so to create the object, what we have to do, guys, we have to do like this. Okay, so I'll say here, title. So title equal to, I'll say here javascript javascript developer. Okay, comma, I'll give here name. Okay, so colon, it is colon, this colon, I'll give your name as er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so put comma, I'll give here the age also. So age is, I'll give here 30, 30, it is a number. So I'll give here the description also. So copy this from here only and paste it here, put colon, and I'll give here. So description, guys, just for the times saving, guys. Okay, I'm gonna use here, let me just put some description. Okay, so I'll say here Prabhat Pandit, okay, is a great service now developer, okay, at happiest minds. Okay, happiest minds. So this is it, and I'll just say here experience. So experience, experience I'll give here, it is a text, so consider it as a text only. So put it here, it inside the open a single or double quotes. Okay, so I'll say here 4 years. Okay, so this is it. So put here comma first. Okay, so guys, now we have so now profile. Okay, so I'll say here profile pic. Okay, so profile pic, say here like this. So put here comma first. So I'll say here I have to define the path. Okay, so it is assets. Okay, there is a folder called assets. Inside the folder I have got another folder called images, and inside the images I have got some file I have shown you also. So I'm gonna use here this file name. Okay, so for the Prabhat I'll be using, so I will be using, yeah, this Prabhat.jpg. Copy the file name from here and just go here and paste it here. Okay, so guys, like this is it. Okay, so guys, now you know that how to create the object. Okay, so guys, just to save the time, okay, I'm gonna copy the object from the previous example only. Okay, so like I explained you, so this is what this is the way to create object, okay, in JavaScript, in Angular, in React, in Vue.js. Okay, so this will be the property, this will be the value, this will be the key, this will be the value, this will be the property, this will be the value, this is also called the key, and this is the value, this is property, this is value, this is key, and this is property. Okay, so this is the way of creating the object in any kind of JavaScript framework. Okay, so guys, just to save a little bit of time, I'm gonna copy the these objects from the previous example only. Okay, so just go to the example and go a little down and just copy these objects from here. Okay, so copy it from here and I'll explain you also, like I showed you already also. So this is the way of creating the objects. Okay, I have explained you, okay, very well. Okay, so just replace this. Okay, so let me just put it inside like this. Okay, so this is cool. Okay, so now this is title. Okay, so title, name, description. Okay, description. Okay, profile pic. So profile pic, and this is experience. So experience is here also, and this is age. Okay, this is age. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so guys, now we will use the JavaScript very famous method called map method to loop through this card details object. Okay, object. Okay, so we have to do that. So how to do that? So we have to copy this card objects, okay, from here, name, okay, and below this card components, okay, I'm gonna create here the JavaScript map method, okay. I'm gonna use it, okay. I'm gonna use it the JavaScript map method, okay, to look through these, okay, objects, okay, with the variable name card details, using this card components, okay, using this card components, okay. So how to do that, I'm gonna show you now. Just pay attention and be careful and be patient, okay. Try to watch the entire video very carefully, okay. So now to do that, we have to say like this. So okay, so to say like this, I'm gonna create here another div first. So close this div, okay, and I'm gonna give here the class name also. So I will be giving here the class name also as a container. So as a container, I'll give here container, and this is it. And inside the container div, I'm gonna create here another div, okay. So another div, close this div first, and I will give the class name also as a row, okay. So class name as a row, okay. So now what we have to say here, so guys, we all know whatever we want to show to the user as a output, okay, as a result on the browser, what we have to say here, we have to use here open and closing curly braces. So like here also we have to use here also open and closing curly braces. And now inside this, what we will say here, we will just say here this card details, okay, this, okay, this variable name, it is an object, okay. So it has got one element, two element, I mean, yeah, one element, two element, three element, four element, fifth element, and sixth element, okay. So to look through this card details, what we will say here, card details dot map, okay, it is a predefined method in JavaScript to look through the array of object, to look through the array, okay. And it has take at least it takes one callback function, and that callback function take at least one necessary parameters, okay. So you have to provide at least one necessary parameter to that callback function, okay. So like this we have to say here, okay. So like this we have to say here, and I'll say here items, okay. I'll say item, and I'm gonna pass the index also, okay. I'm gonna use here the filter function like this. So like this, okay. So this is it. And now what we will say here, we will just use this card components, okay, because we have defined the JSX, okay. So guys, this method, okay guys, this approach, okay guys, this approach is known as the JSX, JavaScript and XML, okay. JavaScript and XML, this approach is known as the JSX approach, okay. JavaScript and XML, okay. So we have to use this card component because it has got name, title, profile pic, age, descriptions, and experience, okay. So we have to use this card component to show this first object, second object, third object, fourth object, fifth object, sixth object, using the this map method, okay. So what we have to say here, we have to say here this card components, okay, this card components, okay. So open and closing, first close it and close this, and now we will say here, what we will say here, that we will say here I'll say here title equal to like this, open and closing braces, like I showed you here also, okay. I have explained you too many times, guys, okay. I have explained you very well, okay, very well. I have explained you, I can say that, okay. So I'll say here title, so I'll say here item, okay, this item dot this item dot this title, okay, this title, okay. So this title, copy it from here and just paste it here, okay. So now we will again say what we want to show now, we want to show now the name, okay. So name prop, so like this we will say here this item, okay, this item dot, so we have to show the name, so copy this name from here, and paste it here, okay. So now what we will say here, we will say here this item, okay, this item dot, so we have to show the name, so copy this name from here, and paste it here, okay. So now what we will say here, we will say here this item, okay, this item dot, so we have to show the name, so copy this name from here, and sorry, I paste it here. And now we have to show the profile pic also. So profile pic equal to open and closing braces. So I'll say here this item, okay, this item dot, we will say here this profile pic. This is it, okay. So copy it from here and paste it here. And now what we want to show, we want to show here the age also. So equal to I'll say here open and closing braces. So I'll say here item, sorry, item dot, we will say here this age, to show the age. Simple, okay. I hope guys you are getting me. I'm able to explain you to the code, to the deep, okay, that what is a loop in React and how to look through the objects using the predefined components in React.Js. Okay, I hope guys I'm very much capable to explain you React.js and how to look through the objects, how to look through the array, and how to use the custom or predefined, I mean like user defined components to look through the array, or to look through the array of objects using the map method, okay, using the map method, okay. Okay, so now we will show here the description also. So equal to open and closing braces and item, this item, okay, this item dot, we will say here this description. So this description, okay. So copy it from here and go down and paste it here. This is it, okay. So now to show the experience also. So we will say here experience equal to open and closing braces item, this item dot experience, this experience, okay. So copy it from here and paste it here, okay. So guys now, okay, so guys now just save your code. As of now we have shown all the props value, and I like I told you already that later on if needed we have to pass some extra props to this card components, and we will definitely pass some extra props to this card components, okay. Just now we will pass some extra props along with this title, name, profile pic, age, description and experience props. We will pass some extra props, okay, to this card component, okay. So as of now just save your code. I explained you what I did here. I've explained you very well, okay, what I did here, okay. So save your code and go to the browser and see the magic. See, boom guys, see, we got our card, okay guys. We can see here we got our card, okay. So see guys, congratulations, now you know how to look through the array of object using your custom components using the JavaScript inbuilt method map method, okay. So guys, I had to congratulate you because just now you have learned some great feature, some great techniques in React.js to look through the array of object using your custom components using the JavaScript map method by using the props, okay, inside the components, okay. Okay, so we have to give the name because this is the first type of displaying the dynamic cards in React.js, okay. So we have to name it also. So I'm gonna name it here. So I will be just giving here inside the container I'm gonna use here the h1 element, okay, h1 element, and I'll just give you the class name also equal to, I'll say here margin top 4 and margin bottom also 4, okay. So this is it, and I'll give the text inside this h1 element to name it. So I'll say here, so this is the first method, okay. So this is the first method. So okay, so I'll just name here card, so card component, okay, using JSX mapping or array mapping in JSX, okay. So save a code and go to the browser. So now guys, we we have learned our first technique, guys. We have learned our first technique, okay, through the JSX mapping or array mapping in JSX to display the dynamic cards using custom components with the props with using JavaScript map method. Okay, so this is the first method. Okay, so guys, now we have to make it like this also, like this. Okay, so like this, you can see here it is clickable, and you can see the profile name and the designation Java developer. I explained you the demo, so I don't want to explain you again and again the same thing, but I want to recall you, I want to memorize you. Okay, so that's why I explained you one more time. Okay, what I'm gonna do here. Okay, so first of all, now we have to display the cards using this second technique. Okay, using this second technique, we have to use the card. Okay, so the second technique is card component by using the spread operator or object spread operator. Okay, so we will be using now this second method to display the dynamic cards. Okay, here also on our this page. Okay, so now just come up here, and now I'm gonna use here the second technique as well. Okay, so guys, second technique is, so now below this div, okay, below this container div, I'm gonna create here another div. Okay, just go little up, I'm gonna create here another div. So close this div first, and I'm gonna give here the class name also as a container only, so container. Okay, so yep, open this div, and inside this div I'm gonna say here like what I can say here another div. So give the class name also as a row. Okay, and close this div. Okay, and inside this div, okay, inside this div, what we know that whatever we want to show to the user as an output on the browser, we have to use here the open and closing curly braces. So now we will be using here the open and closing curly braces, and we will be saying here that this object name card details, copy it from here and go here inside this, say here like this. I'll be using here the map method again. So map, okay, and it is gonna take here two necessary parameter. I mean index is the first parameter is the necessary parameter, and second parameter is the optional parameter to this callback function. Okay, to this callback function. Okay, so I'll say here items. Okay, item, and I'm gonna pass the index also. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna use the filter function like this. Again, open and closing parenthesis, and open this, and inside this we are free to use our custom card components. Okay, so copy these card components from here only. Name card components, it has got some props like title, name, profile pic, age, description and experience, and later on we will define some more props to this card components. Okay, always remember. Okay, so now just come down and paste it like here. So yep, so like this, and make it multi-line, and now guys, now just okay, so guys, now we have to, okay, so guys, let me just go to the just comment this out first. Okay guys, there will be one error in the console. Okay guys, I hope there will be let me just uncomment this and cut it out. Okay, cut it out. Okay, so guys, let me just show you one error. Okay, so there will be one error in the console. Okay, so go to the browser, go to the developer tool, there will be one error. Okay, see guys, I told you there is one error. You can see here there is one error. Okay, so there is one error, and it will be a key attribute error. Okay, it will be a key attribute error. Okay, so go to the console, see there is a key prop missing. Okay, see we have to provide the key. Okay, so it's compulsory, it's necessary to provide the key attribute. Okay, on every element if you are looping through something. Okay, so to provide the key, what we have to say here, we have to say here like this. So key equal to, I'll be using here as a index. Okay, because index is a unique. Okay, so we will be using here the key equal to index. Okay, so now save your code, and now just go to the browser, and now see the error is gone. see, there is no error at all. Okay, there is no error at all. Okay, so cut it out. Okay, so now we are gonna use here the second method to display the card below this. So just this, and just paste it here. Oh, we have to control Z, otherwise it will take a lot of time. So control Z, yeah, it's here, and we can show the comment, key also. Okay, I explained you what is key. Okay, so give the index because it is unique. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now inside this card component, I explained you what I did here, guys. I explained you. Okay, I have explained you very well what I did here. Okay, so now I'm gonna give you the key attribute first here, not like this. So we have to say like this. Okay, key equal to open and closing braces, and we have to give here the index. Okay, anything we can give here, but it should be unique. Okay, it should be unique. That's why React is gonna know. That's why React is gonna recognize that which part of the UI, which part of the element have been modified, have been changed, and which part of the UI, which part of the element is going to be updated. Okay, it's going to be updated by using this key attribute only. Okay, only this key attribute. By using this key attribute, React is gonna know that which part of the elements is to be updated and is to be modified. Okay, through this key attribute only. That's why it is necessary, it is compulsory to provide this key attribute here. Okay, okay, I hope I explained you. Okay, so guys, now we are going to learn here the second method, and the second method is using the show card component using the spread operator or object spread operator. Okay, so we are going to learn it now. Okay, so this is the first method. See, so now what we will say, guys, now we will say here like this. Okay, open and closing braces, and we will use here the spread operator. Okay, like I showed you, because we are going to use here this spread operator to to show the card, to iterate over the objects. Okay, okay, so what we will say here, we will say here three dots. Okay, three dots, and we will just pass this item. Okay, just pass this item. This is it. Done. Done, guys, we are done with this card component. So go to the browser, and now come here, and now see. Boom, guys, see, we can see our card components. Okay, we can see our card components. Okay, so we have to name it also. So guys, let me just copy the name from here, just for the sake of time saving. Okay, so just for this sake of time saving, so copy this from here and paste it here, and inside this container just paste it. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so save your card, codes. I'm sorry, guys, like I'm speaking constantly since a long time, so that's why like my voice is like this. I hope, guys, you will understand me, and you will try to manage things. Okay, because guys, I'm trying to teach you something hard, something very cool in React, because I have given you my word, I have given you my promise that I'll make you a great JavaScript developer in coming 3 to 4 months. That's why, guys, I have to work a little harder. I have to put little extra effort to make videos, okay, for you guys, okay, so that you can watch it and you can learn from it. Okay, and please, guys, please, okay, if you feel, guys, I'm doing great things for you, then please, guys, okay, do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please, guys, press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly, and you can learn from them also. Okay, it's a request, guys, from a friend to a friend, from a brother to a brother, to subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER. Okay, and please press the bell icon also, and please, guys, like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to make awesome videos like this on each and every topic of web development, as well as full stack development also. Okay, so please, guys, please subscribe to the channel Code with ER. Okay, so now come here. Sorry. So guys, now as you can see here, we have learned our second method also, card component, by using the spread operator or object spread operator. Okay, so now, okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, we have learned our second method also. Okay, so we have learned our second method also. But guys, before going to the third method, okay, before going to the third method, okay, let's just make these card interactive. Okay, let's just make these card interactive. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. Whenever you will click, it will be active, and you can see the name also, as well as the profile also of the currently clicked card. Okay, like Priya Kumari, Java developer, Prabhat Pandit, developer. I have explained you the demo very well. Okay, so I'm not going to explain it now. Okay, so just come up here, and we have to make it interactive also. So guys, now I explained you, like I told you, we are going to pass here some extra props to this card components. Okay, so now we are going to pass here some extra props. Okay, okay, so now we will be passing here some extra props to this card components. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna pass here one extra component. It says on, okay, on button, on button click. Okay, on button click, I have passed here one extra component. I mean props, I'm sorry, it's a props. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Okay, because I'm speaking constantly, so I can say something this instead of this, and this instead of this. Okay, so you can manage this. Okay, you can manage this. Okay, so now on this card div, okay, which is a wrapper div, which is a container div for this card profile. Now I'm gonna say here that on click, okay, on click, it's capital C, on click equal to, I will be using here this. Okay, so I'm gonna use here the filter function, anonymous filter function, like this, and we will say like this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Okay, so we have to use this. Okay, so now just copy this method name on button click. So come up here, and here, okay, here just say, for the sake of explanation here only. Okay, for the sake of explanation here only, we will be saying here handle card, handle card click. Okay, so handle card click. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so we have to define this method name now. It's a CLICK. Okay, so we have to define this handle card click method now inside the parent component. Okay, inside the parent component. Okay, so just come up here, and below this object card details, I'm gonna define it now. So I'll say here const, okay, const, I'll say here const. Okay, so I'm very sorry guys, I'll say here const. Okay, so const like this, and I'm gonna use here the filter function. Okay, so filter function. Okay, but we have to sorry, so we have to provide here the this name. Okay, so I will be providing here this okay, so just give here this name as a parameter to this function. Okay, this name. Okay, so we have to receive this name also here also. So just like this, and we will allot the name only as of now for the demo. So I'll just copy this name. Okay, so name here. So save your code and go to the browser, and and see, it says so we have to put it inside the anonymous function like this. Okay, like this. So save your code and go to the browser, and now page is already refreshed. So click anywhere on this card. Okay, click anywhere on this card, and the name will be alert like Priya Kumari. Okay, so there is an error, so let me just see what is the error. There is no error at all. So on button click, click, handle card click name. Okay, so name, just give here name like this, Priya Kumari. So handle card click, I think so just copy this method from here and try to uh, paste it here, and just pass here the object. Okay, sorry, I'm sorry. So this item is known as the object. Okay, and I'm gonna pass here the index also. Okay, so we have to grab this all the things to the uh, handle click method also. So here, go here, and we have to get it here item and index also. So I'll just say here item. Okay, item dot name. Okay, this name. Okay, this name, this name. Okay, this name. Okay, this name and this name. Okay, and this name. Okay, so just save your code and go to the browser, and now click anywhere on these cards. Okay, so we are not getting the alert. Why? What is the issue, guys? We are not getting the alert. Okay, although there is no error at all in the console. Okay, but why we are not getting the alert? So const, let me just check the function name. Okay, so like this only we have used fat arrow function. So let me just check. Okay, on click, 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 but on button click. So on button click we have defined here, on button click we have defined here handle card click. So handle card click, we have passed here item and index. So let me just check, guys, give me 2 minutes. I'll just rectify it. So what is the issue, guys? We are not getting the alert, we are not getting any error also. So there will be nothing, guys, because there is everything is working fine and cool, because there is no error in the console. There is no okay, so we have to pass here, I guess we have to pass here the we have to pass here the index. Okay, so index. Okay, so we have to pass here index and the I will be passing here the uh, item also. Okay, so item also as a prop. Okay, as a prop we have to pass here so give me, guys, 2 seconds. Okay, I'll just rectify it. Okay, just remove this, and let's just remove this item index, let it be here only. So because we have passed here the index prop we have passed here. Okay, we have passed here the index prop. Okay, so save your code and code browser, and now hit anywhere. Yeah, yeah. So guys, now it's working. Okay, guys, now it's working. Previously I was calling it like this. Okay, so let me just control Z. So I was calling like this. Okay, so we have to call this method like this only. Okay, like this only. So remove this item. There is no prop name item. So now what is the issue? Just okay, cut this page first and dispose this port, go live. Yeah, so now it's working. Okay, it's doing great. Okay, see, it's doing Deepak Kumar, Ram Kumar Yadav, see, Riya Kumari Sharma, Pankaj Kumar Yadav. Okay, so click this card also. It's not working, so we have to make it function. Okay, this card. Okay, using spread operator, it's not working, so make it like working as well. Okay, so just go here, down, and we have to just copy this method name from here only. Later on we will just change the method name. Okay, and just say here handle click 2. Okay, handle click 2, and we will pass the item same and index same also. Sorry, and just come here, copy this method name from here, and just rename this to handle card click 2. Okay, so I hope it's yeah, handle card click 2. So save your code, go to the browser, and now click anywhere. See, Ram Kumar Yadav is doing great now, it's working fine. Okay, so cool. Okay, so cool. Yep. So guys, now just we have to make it like this. Okay, so it should be like this. Okay, we have to show the text as well as the designation. Okay, whenever the card will be clicked. Okay, whenever the card will be clicked, we will be showing the name and the designation. Okay, like this. Okay, here also. So come up here, so now we will say here, we will use here the React useState hook. Okay, so guys, now we are going to use here, we are going to learn here how to use the React useState hook. Okay, so just for using the React useState, we have to import it from the React. So I'll say here const. Okay, open and closing curly braces. I'll say here use state. Okay, from where? From React. Okay, React. Okay, so close it. So guys, now we are free to use the useState hook inside our application. Okay, because we have already now imported it from the React. Okay, and the hook name is useState. Okay, it is used to manage the state. Okay, of the application. Okay, suppose the previous state is false, it will make it true, and the previous state is true, they will make it false. And this is the this is called useState to manage the state. Okay, so we will be just using this now. So I will be just passing here another prop. So comma, I'll give here comma, I'll give here active, I'll say here active text. Okay, this is the another prop and known as the active text. Okay, so what we have to say here, now we have to use here the useState. Okay, inside our parent component. Okay, so inside here I'm gonna use here the useState hook. Okay, I'll say here const, and we are gonna use here the array destructuring. Okay, so this is known as the array destructuring. Okay, so I'll say here active text. It's active capital T, give capital T, txt text, and I'll say here set active text. Okay, so guys, this is the variable, and this set active text is known as the updater function. Okay, is known as the updater function, and through this set active text, we are gonna update this active text dynamically when the user will click on the any of the card. Okay, so from there I'll say here use state. Okay, and as of now just give here its value anything. Okay, so say here like I'll say here anything. Okay, anything means anything. Okay, so now guys, this active text guys, now this active text variable value is initial value is anything, and now we will use this set active text to update this active text value dynamically whenever the user will click on any of the card. Okay, so just to show this value, active text value, like make it capital text, like anything, what we have to do, we will just copy this variable name from here and just come up here and here. Okay, so I'll say here just open and closing braces and paste it here, and just save your code and go to the browser, and now you can see here literally anything is displaying here. Okay, so we have to display it here below this. Okay, so copy this and cut it out from here, and here I'll just display. Okay, so it says here literally anything. Okay, because I told you it's sorry, its initial value, active text initial value is anything. Okay, and we will use this set active updater function to update it dynamically whenever user will click on the card. Okay, so I have to put it inside the h1 element. Okay, h1 element, and give the class name also as a text center. Okay, and just give margin top 3 and give margin bottom also 3. Okay, so close this. Okay, so now we can see here literally anything. Okay, if we will change the value, okay, if we will change its initial value, it will also be reflected here. Okay, it will also be reflected here. So go here, anything means anything. Okay, anything. Save your code, go to the browser and see it's reflected, it's updated here also. Okay, so initially it should blank, so we have to remove it and let it be blank only. Okay, so let it be blank only. So now we have to update this active text through this updater function. Okay, so copy it from here and just come up here. So as of now comment the alert because it will hamper. So I'll say here set active. Okay, and what we will say here, we will just say here item. Okay, item, and we have to show the name. Okay, we have to show the name like this name. Okay, like this name. Okay, like this name, like this name, and this name. Okay, so what we have to say, we have to say here item dot name. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, save your code, go to the browser, and now literally click anywhere. Okay guys, now click anywhere on this card. Okay, click anywhere. See, boom guys, you can see here ER Prabhat Pandit is now being displayed. Click Priya Kumari. See, Priya Kumari. Click on Deepak Kumar. See, it's Deepak Kumar. Click on Ram Kumar Yadav. See, it's Ram Kumar Yadav. Click on Riya Kumari Sharma. See, it's Riya Kumari Sharma. Click on Pankaj Kumar Sharma. See, it's Pankaj Kumar Sharma. Okay, so now like we have to show the designation also. So now I am going to show the designation as well. Okay, so first of all let me just put here the class name. Okay, to make it text, I'll say here text danger, that this is it. Okay, so now come up here, so I'll just concatenate here. So I'll say here plus like this I'll say, like this I'll say, and I'll just concatenate, and I'll just say here the item, this item. Okay, dot I'll just show this title also, this title, this title, okay, this title, this title, and this title. Okay, so copy this title from here and just item dot title. Okay guys, literally guys, you can show anything here. Okay, for the time saving, and just to make video little bit shorter. Okay, just to make video little bit shorter, and for the time saving, I'm just showing these two value. Okay, name and title only. Okay, you can show anything. Okay, title, name, description, profile, experience, age, anything means anything. Okay, so save your code and go to the browser, and we got now it's here. So now click anywhere, see, boom guys, it's here Prabhat Pandit, and the designation is developer. See, Priya Kumari, Java developer. Click on Deepak Kumar. See, Deepak Kumar, and he is a React.js developer. Click on Ram Kumar. So it's see Ram Kumar, Angular developer. Click on Riya Kumari Sharma. So see Riya Kumari Sharma, and she is a web developer. Click on Pankaj Kumar Sharma. So see Pankaj Kumar Sharma, and he is a Vue.js developer. See Pankaj Kumar Sharma, and he is a Vue.js developer. Okay, so guys, now we have achieved our this target. Okay, we have achieved our this target. Okay, okay, so now we have to make it clickable also. This second card also to make it clickable. As of now is only alerting the name. Okay, as of now is only alerting the name also, so we have to make it also clickable. So inside here I will be giving here, so go to the so this is the card handle 2. Okay, so we will be giving here, I can say here that so we have to show like this. Okay, okay, so here I will be saying here that I will be saying here that active index. Okay, active index, or say active text. Okay, active text 1 equal to, I will providing here as a prop. Okay, so I'll say here active text 1. Okay, so now we have to use here another useState. Okay, another useState. So copy it from here and just paste it here, make it 1, put it 1 here also. Okay, so now just copy this from here and comment this alert. As of now you don't require this, and paste it here and make it 1. Okay, so make it 1, and just copy this h1 element from here, and just below this container paste it here, or just below this h1 element. Okay, paste it here and put 1 here. So now just save your code and go to the browser, and now just come up here on this second card component using the speed operator. Click here, see, boom guys, you can see here we got our name Prabhat Pandit, and he is a developer. Click Priya Kumari Sharma, I mean Priya Kumari, Java developer. Deepak Kumar, React developer. Click on Ram Kumar Yadav, Angular developer. Click on Riya Kumari Sharma, so Riya Kumari Sharma, web developer. Click on Pankaj Kumar Sharma, Vue.js developer. So Pankaj Kumar Sharma, Vue.js developer. This is also working. See, this is also working. This is also doing great. Okay, this is also doing great here Prabhat Pandit, and this is also doing cool. Okay, okay, so we have achieved our second target. Okay, second target, we have achieved our second target. Okay, so see, it's doing great. Okay, yep, like this. Okay, so now guys, now we have to make it clickable as well. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, so for this guys, we have to, I'm gonna copy this CSS only just to save a little bit of time. Okay, from the example only. So copy this style from here, and just come up here and go to the head section and paste it here. Okay, here, so I have defined here, you can see here I have defined the active class. Okay, so this is the active class, and it has got only background color, and this is active 2, and it has got background color as well as the color for the text. Okay, so this is it, active and active 2. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so now come up here, come up down, and come down, and now first of all, on this I'm gonna provide the active class. Okay, so I'm gonna provide the active class. So what we have to do now, we have to do now that I'm gonna give here the active index also. Okay, as a prop. Okay, as a prop I'm gonna pass here the active index. Okay, I'll pass here the active index as a prop. Okay, so I'll say here active index as a prop. Okay, and I'll say here the same thing as a active index. So we have to pass this active index prop. Okay, we have to pass this active index prop to our components. Okay, to our custom components here. Okay, here as a prop. Okay, as a prop. Okay, as a prop we have to pass it. Okay, so now we have to define the conditions. Okay, on this container div, on this card div, we have to define our conditions as well. Okay, so now we are going to define the conditions as well. Okay, so now what we will say here, we are going to just concatenate the class. Okay, we are just going to concatenate the class, and to do that, what we have to say, we have to say like this. Okay, we have to use here backtick. Okay, to concatenate the class we have to use here the backtick, and we have to say here dollar like this, and we will just say here that this active index. Okay, this active index equal to this. Okay, this provided index. Okay, this provided index. Okay, this provided index. Okay, this provided index which we have passed as a prop here also. Okay, as a prop here also. Okay, see, I have given the index. Okay, as a prop. Okay, as a prop I have given the index also. Okay, and we have defined here also in our components also as a prop. Okay, so if this active index, okay, when the user will click, okay, when the user will click, okay, then we will just check if active index equal to index. Okay, if it is true, then we will just apply the active class. If it is not, we will apply empty or blank class. So this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we will just define something here inside our handle card click. Okay, inside our handle card click we have to update our function as well. Okay, so now we have to do like this. Okay, so I'm gonna use here another prop. Okay, I'm gonna use here another prop. Okay, so now I'm gonna use here another prop, and I'll just say here const. Okay, it is known as the array destructuring. Okay guys, this technique is known as the array destructuring. Okay, this technique is known as the array destructuring, and it is very famous inside React.js. Okay, it is very famous in React.js to use the useState hook. Okay, to apply something, to update something, to apply something, to update something using this set active text, using this set active text 1. Okay, so now we have to give here active index also. So I'll say here active index and set updater function, set active index. Okay, and we will just say here equal to useState. Okay, useState. Okay, and as of now just give the value as a null. Okay, as a null. Okay, so now just copy this set active index, and we will just use this set active index to update this active index when the user will click on the card, and we will apply the active class if active index matches the index. Okay, If this active index matches the index, we will apply a active class, otherwise we will apply empty class or blank class. Okay, so now go to the handle click function. We will just say here like this, and we will just apply this index. Okay, because you can see here, we have to say here active index because you can see here we are checking active index. Okay, this active index equal to index. Okay, if it is true, we will apply the active class. If it is not, we will apply the blank or empty class. And this is what we are doing here. It's a set active index. Okay, copy this from here and here, say here set active index. We will apply the index dynamically. So save your code and go to the browser, and now you can see here it's here. Okay, it's here. Okay, so refresh the page first and now click. So okay, let me just active index. Okay, active index. So index active index. Okay, active index. So what is the issue? Go to the developer tool, go to the console. First of all, let's just check active classes being applied or not on the card. So handle click 1 and active index set active index, useState null. So active index active class is defined. Yeah, it's defined here. So let me just check what is the issue. So active index set active index useState. Let me just check, guys. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Okay, I'll just rectify it. So what is the issue? Let me just check, guys. Active index useState active index set active index and useState. Okay, so as of now we have to active index. Everything is doing great, guys. Active index and we have used here const active index and set active index, and active index we have passed here as as a prop. Okay, active index equal to active index. Let's just pass this set index also. What is the issue? Use state. So class name, let me just check guys one more time. Overflow hidden. So active index equal to index. If it is this, apply active, otherwise apply empty. Okay, and guys, there is no any issue. There is no any issue. Still why? There is no any issue guys, but let me just go to the example first. Let me just check one more time. So active index and active index equal to index this. So let's just replace this first. Let's just put it here. Save a code, go to the browser. Why? What is the issue? Let me just comment out this card first, or just we can comment the things in React like this. Okay, so we have to say like this to comment the code in React. Okay, like this. Sorry. Okay, so now save your code, go to the browser, and now we can see it's active applied. So JSX mapping active text. Let me just again go to the example. So example is this: handle card click, set active index. What is the issue? Use state from React. Active index, active text. So active index, active index and active text. Let's just change the order. Okay, so save your code. Now why? Why guys? What is happening? Handle what is happening guys? This is working very fine. This is doing great. Okay, let's just replace this class name. Okay, from the example, let's just replace this class name. Okay, so copy this from here and replace this. Okay, on button click, replace this like this. Okay, so okay, so we have to say like this. So now our code is also okay, so we have to say like this. Yep, so now click again, it's not working. So let me just active index. Why guys, why it's not working? Active index handle card click. Okay, set active index. So set active index. As of now, let me just check this. Okay, react useState. So useState from REACT. Okay, it's doing great. Yeah, there is no issue at all. So let's just copy these, okay, state from here and replace, not here, from here. Okay, let's just copy these state from here and replace, okay, here. Okay, so replace it and now save your code and now go to the browser and now click. Still guys, still it's not working. Why? There is no issue at all. So on click, on button click, what is the issue guys? So go to the card component first and just match this first. Okay, so active index equal to active index. So active index equal to active index on button click. Okay, on button click, yep, it's here. On button click handle item and index. Okay, so save your code and now refresh. Why guys, there is no issue guys, there is no error at all, but still I think there must be error inside this. Okay, class name. Okay, let's just guys, okay, just remove this JSX fragment. Okay, let's just remove this JSX fragment for the time being and save your code and now go here. It's still not working. This is working fine. We can show the name as well as the designation. Okay, so Control Z. Okay, so now guys, what is happening guys? Just copy this from here. Okay, copy this from here and replace this. Okay, and replace this active index. Why? What is happening guys? Let me just replace, okay, this from here. Okay, this from here, let me just replace the entire card. Okay, let me just replace replace the entire card inside the return statement, okay, inside our card component, okay. So just replace it, save your code, and now still not working, guys. What is the issue? So now come again to the example. We have replaced this. Let's just copy, guys, okay, this method also, and let's just okay, replace, okay, these method from here. Save your code and go to the browser, and why guys, I'm extremely sorry, guys, there is no issue, there is no error at all. So handle card click is not defined. Handle card click, as of now remove this two element and copy this handle card click from here, and just to replace this, okay, just copy this and just replace this, save your code, and now what is happening, guys? Active index equal to active index, what is happening? What is happening, guys? I'm sorry, I'm extremely sorry that it's not working. It should be working, guys. It is working in the example I showed you many times, but why? What is the issue here? Why it is not working here? So index I have passed, okay, guys, I have not passed here index. Guys, you can see here there is no index at all, and we have passed here the props index, okay, we have passed here the prop index, and we have not passed here the prop index, okay. So we have to pass here index equal to open and closing braces index. So now save your code and now click anywhere. See, boom, guys, now it's worked. See, now it is working, guys, okay. So now it is working, okay. So okay, so just fix this also, why it is showing already active. So okay, so I will say here index equal to index, okay, equal to index. I'm sorry, guys, I took a bit more time, okay, to rectify the error, because I was not like, it's like very small index, okay. I was not like checking that whether I have passed index or not as a prop value to this card component, okay. So I'm sorry, guys, okay. So now just click anywhere, okay. So we have to handle card click 2. So I'll say here a small h card click 2. So just come up here and just copy this and just make it handle card click 2, okay. Rest make it 1 also, and make it 1 also, okay. So make it 1 also. So now okay, handle card click, so active index 1, active index 1, and active index 1, and I have passed the index here also, and I have to pass one more prop here, index, active index. So active index 1 and set active index. Okay, so active text. Okay, active text is here all, and active index we have to pass. So active index 1, make it to 1 and make it 1 also. Save your code and go to the browser and now click anywhere. So what is, okay, handle card click 2 and set active index 1, set active index 1, set active index 1 is here, and set active index, set active text to 1. So what is the issue? So I'm sorry guys. So handle card click 2, button click, handle card click 2, and I have passed this item and index, and active index, make it 1 and active text. Okay, so now it's doing great, and active text equal to active index equal to active index 1. Yeah, so now it's working. Okay, so guys, I'll explain you the third method. Okay, this third method, okay, to display the dynamic cards, okay, using JavaScript map method in React.Js in the next session, in the next class. Okay, as you can see here, the video has got a little longer, a little larger. Okay, I hope guys you have understand, you have learned something new, something different, okay, from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, like I took bit more time to rectify the error, because I was not passing this index. Okay, I was not passing this index here, and active index equal to active index 1. Okay, so we have to change the prop value here, and I was not passing here the props index here. Okay, so this took bit more time to rectify it, okay, to fix it. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry, I'm extremely sorry for this. I hope guys you will understand me, you will get me, because like whatever I have learned guys, whatever I have understand, okay, I try to convey to you, I try to give it to you, whatever I have learned, because it's my promise, it's my duty to make you JavaScript, React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months, and that too dynamic and very stunning React.js developer in coming 3 to 4 months. Okay, so that's why like I try to give you a bit extra knowledge, bit something extra in my each and every video. Okay, so that's why it took like some time to rectify the error, some time to find the error, some time to understand the error. Okay, so I hope guys you will get me, you will understand me, and I hope guys you have learned something from this video, from this session. Guys, if you feel you have learned something from this video, from this session, then please guys do subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please guys press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, you can be notified and you can watch them instantly, and you can learn from them also. Okay, so I feel guys we have come to the end of this video, end of this session. Okay guys, still you have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to address it. I'll try to resolve it. Okay, so please guys, do support me and do promote me by subscribing to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.